In this video, we use the binomial theorem to expand x plus y to the power of 3, and we explain why the coefficients look 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Ready? The bracket x plus y to the power of 3 means multiply the bracket by itself 3 times. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna multiply the first term of the first bracket x by the first term of the second bracket x, and by the first term of the third bracket x. Continue with x times y, the second term of the third bracket, and x times y, the second term of the second bracket, times x, and y, the second term of the first bracket, times x times x. X times y, y times x times y times y times x. Last but not least, y times y times y. I want you to notice that being consistent about the order makes things easier. The first contains 3 x's, the second contains 2 x's and 1 y, the third one contains 1 x and 2 y's, and the last one contains only 3 y's. We cannot collect them any further because they are not like terms. This is the result of expanding x plus y to the power of 3. We can use a similar approach with x plus y to the power of 4. Stop the video here and try. Right, did you try? We can have x, or xy, or xyx, or xyxx, or yxxx. Now, we want the terms with 2 x's and 2 y's. We can do it one by one, xx, yy, or xy, yx, and continue, yxx, xy, xy, yx, yx, yxxy, until we have all the 6 combinations. However, it is much easier to use 4C2 in your calculator, which is the combination of 4 elements in groups of 2 each, 2 x's and 2 y's. That is 6. The following will be 4C3, which is using your calculator 4, as we expected. Last one will be 4C4 or 1. You can use your graphics calculator to evaluate these coefficients, and this is what we'll do in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates.